Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best 22-inch wall clock on the market, the JUGV 22-inch large metal wall clock. If you're looking for a modern, stylish, and easy-to-read clock that elevates your home or office decor, this might just be the perfect choice for you. Right off the bat, the JUGV wall clock catches your eye with its sleek, modern design. It's crafted from high-quality metal using advanced iron technology, which undergoes a high-temperature treatment to ensure durability and a flawless finish. The clock measures 22 inches in diameter, making it a substantial piece that works wonderfully as a centerpiece on any wall. Whether it's your bedroom, dining room, living room, kitchen, or office, this clock adds a touch of sophistication and style. One of the standout features of this clock is its silent quartz movement. Unlike many wall clocks that produce a ticking sound, this one operates quietly, with no second hand to create unnecessary noise. This silent mechanism allows you to enjoy a peaceful environment without the distraction of constant ticking, making it perfect for quiet spaces like bedrooms and offices. The dial of the JUGV clock is thoughtfully designed for easy readability. The numbers are large and clear, with a dial size of about 7.2 inches, which means you don't have to strain your eyes to see the time from across the room. Its analog display adds a classic touch while maintaining a modern flair with its starburst shape and metallic gold sunburst finish that catches light beautifully. Powering this clock is simple. It requires just one AA battery, which is not included, so you have the flexibility to choose your preferred battery brand. The clock is lightweight, weighing only about 1 pound, so mounting it on your wall is hassle-free. Plus, it comes with a secure wall mounting type designed for easy installation and stable hanging. Beyond just telling time, this clock serves as a decorative piece that can complement various interior styles. The gold and sunburst color gives it a floral, artistic theme that blends well with modern decor, while the metal frame ensures it has a sturdy, quality feel. In terms of functionality, it's purely designed to be a wall clock with no alarm feature, focusing entirely on elegance and precision. The quartz watch movement ensures accurate timekeeping, so you can rely on it to keep your schedule on track. If you're someone who values aesthetics and practicality combined in one product, the JUGV 22-inch large metal wall clock is a fantastic option to consider. It's not just a timekeeper, but a stylish accent that transforms the ambiance of any room it graces. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you enjoyed this overview, don't forget to like and subscribe for more product insights and recommendations. Thanks for watching.